buzzing by about up 21% this week on the buzz of promoter buying. CL Rathi, the Managing Director of Advanced Enzyme Technologies, joins us on the phone line. Mr. Rathi, good morning to you. Thank you very much for joining us. What's the promoter plan? Is there a desire to buy more than the creeping acquisition? What's in the promoter's mind?
It is not creeping, not buying more than promoter acquisition, but yes, we thought it's a good opportunity to buy because we are very sure of our growth story, which probably was not well understood by many investors. So we decided to buy in.
Okay, just to finish that argument, what is this growth story that you can tell us about?
We already, I think, it is very well elaborated in the past too. And if anybody wishes to know more, they can go on our website and can download the investor presentation where we are exactly in our growth strategy.
Okay, Mr. Rathi, good morning. What's interesting is that the company just recently came out with IPO. So in that sense, it's very interesting that promoters are buying stake again from the open market. So that's why maybe this question.
Well, because the promoters' equity at the time it was when we are, as you know, promoters' equity is only 66.5%, and we do have scope to buy to reach to 75%. So we thought that's a opportunity, which is like as a normal investor, we are also a normal investor like anybody else.
Okay, so that of course within the guidelines with creeping acquisition taking up.
Yeah, no, very. We will work within the guideline. We don't want to breach anything on the process, but at the same time, we think it is a good opportunity as an investor also.
Well, I know that your presentation is available, but if you can tell us what is your idea, what is your sense of growth, say over the next few quarters?
Lata, we are a nutraceutical company basically, and enzyme is yet to understand by globally. We are the leader in this industry segment, and we see a huge future for us. In the nutrition growth itself, along with that animal nutrition, and we also have a lot of niche market in what you call biodiesel, in detergent, in palm oil extraction, and various biocatalysts, including the API synthesis.
Okay, Mr. Rathi, what explained the quieter performance, the duller performance of the third quarter?
Well, that is actually people don't understand because they are most of our customers, they may, in one quarter they may not. Because it depends on a company's philosophy, policy of growth. And these companies are large companies. Once they want to decide to launch a product, then they buy and keep the inventory in the possession. And when they found that they could not go as per their growth plan, then they decided for one quarter not to buy because of the December end.
Okay.
That doesn't mean the business is anyway lost.
No, it was entirely, so it is entirely a lumpy business, you are saying? That was the only reason why?
Only one customer. See, one customer. Otherwise, all our growth areas are good.
No, I'll tell you, from a person who doesn't understand the business from the inside, your 9-month revenue is up 15%, but your last quarter revenue was down about 30%. So is this always a lumpy business? Should we assume that normally your revenue growth is...
It is not a lumpy business. Yeah. No, see, our profit growth is 35%. So, while we are growing now, we have to reallocate our resources to the profitable growth. So we shared some businesses in the past 6-9 months. Okay, so you may not see exactly sale number matching the growth profit. You shouldn't look at only the top line growth. You should always watch because the valuation or the company sustainability of any company is depending on the
I agree, sir. I agree. I mean, all investors watch EBITDA and profit and not only the top line. But even your bottom line was 40 crore one quarter, 14 crore another quarter. So what should people assume is what you are capable of year on year?
People should assume that we have to look at, this is a long-term story and it is not a quarter-to-quarter story. So people are entering...
So in the longer term, you would do what, 20%? Is that what you thought you can do this current year, now that it is behind us?
I think from the day when Lata has been telling very clearly, we could be around 30% on profit growth, between 25 to 30%, and between 50 to 20% on the top line growth.
Okay. All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you
Sorry,
very
my
much.